Here we have a 2021 Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. It is a vivid black deluxe with pinstripe. This motorcycle does weigh 699 pounds. It's Harley-Davidson's first take on a more nimble aspect touring bike. It does have a removable fairing. Has a Milwaukee-Eight 107 cubic inch engine. This one in particular does only have 2,219 miles. You see the Willie G parts and accessories there, and the custom parts and accessories grips as well. It does have a Roland Sands high flow air intake that you can see right through, which is super cool. We got the Mantis mag wheels. Give this bike a real aggressive look. You got the clamshell sport touring bags. So a quick detach, one-touch levers. These things do hold a ton. Bring a ton of stuff with you as you're traveling around. Super easy to use. Just took this in on trade. Just hold up one second. I'll show you a glimpse at the other side here. Here on the right side, you can see it's got the wrinkled black primary cover, along with the Willie G foot pegs to match. Same theme throughout. This bike is in great shape. Super clean. The graphics on the tank are awesome. And speaking of the tank, it does hold 5 gallons with a 1 gallon reserve. You got Harley-Davidson Brembo brakes. This bike is insanely clean. Come check it out here at High-Octane Harley-Davidson.